Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Bank of America account. For this, first, you have to open up your web browser. I have opened Microsoft Edge. Now, in the search bar, just type Bank of America. Calm and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official website of Bank of America. And on the left side of your screen, you can see the login form. Just enter user ID over user ID, and similarly enter your password over here. Now, if you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on the eye icon. You will be able to see your password. If you want to save your user ID, just click on the square box. Now, simply hit on the login button. Then, you will be able to log into your Bank of America account. In case if you forgot your ID or password, just click on Forgot ID or Password, then you'll be able to access your account again. If you don't have any account in Bank of America, then just click on Open a New Account, then you'll be able to create a new account of Bank of America. That's much for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, do like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.